everyone, welcome to chapter 4 Lines and Angle. Today we are going to discuss some questions based upon this. Let us see. Our first question is, in the figure lines PQ and RS intersect each other at a point O. You can see that PQ and RS intersect at a point O. It's given that if angle POR and angle ROQ is in the ratio of 5:7. So this angle is 5x and this angle can be written as 7x. You can see that POQ is a line. We are supposed to find all the angles. Now our solution is POQ is a straight line, therefore angle POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180. What can be the reason? Linear pair. So you can see here angle POR आपका कितना है 5x. ये आपका 5x plus 7x is equal to 180. Now 5x plus 7x, that is 12x, is equal to 180 and x is equal to 180 divided by 12, that is 15 degree. अब आप देख सकते हैं एंगल आपका POR is equal to 5 into 15, that is 75 degree, and angle ROQ is equal to 7 into 15, that is 105 degree. So we have worked out for angle POR and angle ROQ, but we have to work out all the angles now. In this case, you can see here angle SOQ is equal to angle POR is equal to 75 degree. This is vertically opposite angle, right? So here this angle will be equal to 75. Similarly, this will be 105. So you can write here angle POS is equal to angle QOR is equal to 105, and this is here vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now coming to the question number 2, you can see here it's given in the figure 3 lines P, Q and R are congruent. Understand the meaning of congruent. When two or more than two lines passes through a same point, you can see here the point is O, then these lines are known as your concurrent line and the common point is known as your point of concurrency, right? So here it's given angle A is equal to 50 degree, angle B is equal to 90 degree. We are supposed to find out angle C, D, E and F. So first of all we can see here as R is a straight line given. R is a straight line. Therefore angle C plus angle B plus angle A is equal to 180. So angle C can be written as it is, angle B 90, angle A 50, this is equal to 180, and your angle C is equal to 180 minus 140, that is equal to 40 degree. So you can write here as 40 degree, right? 40 is equal to C. Now we have to write all the angles, so this can be written as, you can see that angle D, your angle D is equal to angle A and that is equal to 50 degree, that is vertically opposite angle. Similarly, angle F is equal to C, that is equal to 40 degree. Once again the reason is vertically opposite angle, and next is angle E is equal to angle B, that is equal to 90 degree. Again it is vertically opposite angle. So this is how we have worked out for the values of unknown with the help of vertically opposite angle and the straight line angle. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to chapter Your Lines and Angles. Today we are going to discuss some questions which are based upon proof. Let us see this question. Our first question is, in figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z. So it is given that the angle x plus y is equal to w plus z. Then we have to prove that AOB is a line. In order to prove that AOB is a line, you have to show that x plus y is equal to 180 or z plus w is equal to 180. Let us see how can we do this. Our solution, we know the sum of all angles around a point is equal to 360 degree, right? So according to condition, angle x plus angle y plus angle z plus angle w is equal to 360 because these are the angles around the point O. After that, condition given to us is x plus y is equal to w plus z. आपको दिया गया है कि x plus y क्या है, w plus z. तो आप x plus y की जगह पे आप लिख सकते हैं w plus z. इसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करिए, let it be as it is. तो ये आपका as it is रहेगा. ये आपका हो गया 360. आप w plus z की जगह पे भी x plus y लिख सकते हैं. So now you can see we are having here twice angle w plus twice angle z is equal to 360 and angle w plus angle z is equal to 360 divided by 2, that is equal to 180. If the sum of angle W plus angle Z is coming out to be 180, what does it imply? It implies that AOB is a straight line, or in other words you can say that OA and OB form two opposite rays. Both are having the same meaning. So this is how, with the given condition, we have proved that AOB is a straight line. Now let us come to the question number 2. Question number 2, it's given that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. We can label them 1 and 2. So what is given? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This condition is given, right? So this is your solution part. Now you know that angle 1 plus angle SQP is equal to 180. That is linear pair. From here you can find out angle SQP is equal to 180 minus angle 1, right? You can give that this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. Similarly, angle 2 plus angle PRT is equal to 180. That is again linear pair. Angle PRT is equal to 180 minus angle 2. This can be given as equation number 3. Now you can see that we have to show that angle PQS and angle PRT are equal. So both these angles are 180 minus angle 1 and 180 minus angle 2. आपको मालूम है angle 1 और angle 2 आपका क्या है, equal है. तो equal जब equal से subtract होंगे तो remainder भी आपका क्या होगा, equal. So from 1 you can directly write from 1, 2 and 3, right? your angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Hence proved. Right? So you have proved the given condition, what was given, with that what was asked to prove. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 4, lines and angle. We are here to discuss some more questions. Our first question is, in figure POQ is a line. आपके फिगर में आप देख सकते हैं POQ आपका क्या है, लाइन. रे QR is perpendicular to line PQ. ये जो आपका OR है वो PQ पे perpendicular. Perpendicular means it is making an angle of 90 degree. Then QS is another ray. You can see here OS is another ray lying between the ray OP and OR. ये आपकी another ray है. Prove that. हमें क्या प्रूव करना है, एंगल ROS is equal to half एंगल QOS माइनस एंगल POS. सबसे पहले देखिए हमें ये प्रूव करना है, तो हम यहीं से स्टार्ट करेंगे. यू कैन सी हियर एंगल सॉल्यूशन, एंगल ROS इज इक्वल टू, एक बार आप ROS इस तरफ से निकालिए, दैट इज फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. देखिए आपका ROS कैन बी रिटन एज 90 माइनस SOP, दैट इज 90 माइनस SOP. राइट, हमने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से ROS निकाल, ये आपका 90 है तो ये भी आपका 90 होगा, दैट इज 90 माइनस एंगल SOP. Then again give this as equation number 1. Again you find out ROS from right hand side. अब देखिए आपका जो ROS है that will be ये पूरा SOQ माइनस 90 डिग्री. जब आप SOQ में से 90 डिग्री यहां तक सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो वापस आपको ROS मिल जाएगा. मतलब ROS हमने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से भी निकाला है और ROS हमने राइट हैंड साइड से भी निकाला. गिव दिस एज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. नाउ जस्ट ऐड दीज टू इक्वेशंस. जब आप इनको ऐड करेंगे, ऑन एडिंग एंगल ROS प्लस एंगल ROS, ये आपका हो जाएगा ट्वाइस एंगल ROS इज इक्वल टू, ये आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड यू आर हियर विथ SOQ माइनस एंगल SOP. राइट, एंड फ्रॉम हियर यू विल गेट डायरेक्टली द रिजल्ट. देखिए यहां से आपका रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. कौन सा रिजल्ट आ जाएगा, एंगल ROS इज इक्वल टू एंगल SOQ माइनस एंगल SOP, इसको ब्रैकेट में रख लीजिए, डिवाइडेड बाय 2. And this is what we were supposed to prove. Angle ROS is equal to half angle QOS minus angle POS. So this is how we can do this question. Now let us move on to the question number 2. You can see that in question number 2 it is given in figure line AB. ये आपकी लाइन AB और ये आपकी CD intersect at point O. If angle AOC, it's given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70, right? And angle BOD is 40. ये आपका 40 है. You can see that if this is 40, what about this angle? ये भी आपका 40 हो जाएगा. तो you can write angle AOC is equal to angle BOD is equal to 40. Reason आपका हो जाएगा vertically opposite angle. Now you keep the value of AOC as 40 in this equation, right? From 1 you can keep here 40 plus angle BOE is equal to 70 और यहाँ से आपका angle BOE कितना आ जाएगा, 70 minus 40, that is equal to 30 degree. So you got this value as 30 degree. We were supposed to work out angle BOE. आप यहाँ पे भी लिख सकते हैं, that is angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. This is 30 degree, right? Now we will find out the reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE निकालने से पहले हम लोग एंगल COE निकालेंगे. वो देखिए आप कैसे निकाल सकते हैं. You know that angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180. Why? Because straight line. It's given that AOB is a straight line. Straight line AOB. Right? Now AOC की वैल्यू आपको मालूम है 40 प्लस एंगल COE प्लस 30 is equal to 180. Now from here angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110. So what will be the reflex angle? Reflex angle COE आपको मालूम है reflex angle आपका 180 से क्या होगा बड़ा और 360 से छोटा. So you can find out that is 360 minus 110 and this is equal to 250 degree. So this is how we have worked out for angle BOE which is 30 degree and angle reflex angle COE which is equal to 250 degree. Thank you.